y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you guys my full fall home tour. I have been so excited to share this with you guys after I posted my clean and decorate with me with my friend Mandy this past Friday. I will link that up above and down below for you guys if you want to check that out. And today's video is actually in collaboration with a few of my friends here on YouTube. Kristen from Kristen's Chaotic Life, Mandy from Mandy and the Macon, Hey It's Terry, and Carla McKenzie, and they will be sharing their full fall home tours with you guys as well. And I know we are all so excited to share everything with you guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into the tour. So I'm going to be sharing outside with you guys at first. My front porch is a work in progress because it's still 90+ degrees here, but I did just put a few things out so far. The Boo to Use sign is from Hobby Lobby. The pumpkins are Target clearance from last year. The wreath is from Walmart last year. And this rug is from Hobby Lobby. I love it. It was only $10. And after that, we'll go in and we'll start with my entryway table. I got this entryway table off Amazon. And then the clock above it is from Target. And I did change this up a little bit from my fall clean and decorate with me because my daughter broke my jack-o'-lantern Scentsy. But the double toil and trouble sign is from the Target dollar spot. This galvanized tray and pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby, as well as this fall sweet fall sign and the jar full of the floral picks, and the floral picks are from Dollar Tree. I have just a few things here on the bottom from Target clearance and Walmart. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. I feel like it's really simple and cute. And then going into my living room, I decorated 3 main places in here: my fireplace, my TV stand, and the windows above my couch. Starting with my fireplace, the pillows are from At Home and they were only $7. The spooky sign is from Target clearance last year. The fall sign is from Hobby Lobby. The lights are from Walmart clearance, and the garland is from Dollar Tree. The white pumpkins are just white craft pumpkins. I believe I got at Target dollar spot. And then I just threw a Dollar Tree floral pick into this cotton stem vase I got from Hobby Lobby. And these floral beads are from Hobby Lobby, and I placed them around a Target topiary. And I wanted to keep things pretty simple on my mantle, but I'm really happy with how it came out. I feel like it's really cozy and cute. And these pillows, y'all, $7, you can't beat it. And this blanket I threw over my couch is from Hobby Lobby as well. And as well as this garland above my windows. I wanted just a little touch of fall up here, and I really like it. Moving on to my TV stand, I didn't change a whole lot here. I still kept the basic concept as before, but the vase is from Hobby Lobby, the pumpkin is from Dollar Tree, as well as the floral picks in the vase. The garland, I believe, is from Walmart clearance last year. And the candle garland is from Hobby Lobby, and I have a mulled cider candle from Walmart in it. It smells so good. Moving on to my kitchen table, I just got a little Dollar Tree placemat and put a pumpkin on it from Dollar Tree. And the vase, the pitcher, is from Hobby Lobby. The candle is from Walmart, and the floral picks are from Dollar Tree. And I put this wreath here just for a little touch of fall in here, and that is from Walmart, I believe. The fresh baked pumpkin pie sign is from Big Lots. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus and no beverage. These towels are from Ross. And the little white pumpkin there is also from the Target dollar spot. The tray is from Marshall's, and the canisters are from a local decor store. These 2 pieces here are both from the Target dollar spot. I love them. The conversion thing is only $3. These houses here as well are from the Target dollar spot, as well as the little succulent pumpkins and the trick or treat banner. And then the only other place I put decorations is in our spare bath, and I put a little succulent pumpkin as well as a mulled apple cider candle, and I wanted to keep it just super simple everywhere else since I have so much in my living room and kitchen. And that's everything for this fall home tour, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you like it. It feels so cozy in my house right now. My husband says it feels like fall threw up in here, and I will take it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here. Make sure and go check out the other ladies' videos and see all of their home tours. I'm so excited to see theirs as well, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.